Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today I'm going to be talking about rugged laptops under $300. That's right. You can get rugged laptops under $300, and real quickly I'm going to go through these for you. You've seen them all if you watched my channel. The first one is my favorite, which is the Getac V110. I like this laptop because it is a convertible to a tablet just like that. It has a backlit keyboard, a nice mouse, and a carry handle, rubber handle. You can drop this thing from 6 feet and it's still going to keep working and probably won't even affect it. Another good choice is the Dell Latitude 5404. Again, touchscreen, has a webcam, backlit keyboard. Look at the size of this mouse pad, and I love this carry handle. This is a semi-rugged, not as fully rugged as the V110, but still a great choice for under $300. Another great choice is from Panasonic, the Toughbook CF53. Touchscreen, sometimes has a webcam. This particular unit does not. Here's your mouse pad, carry handle. This is considered a semi-rugged. Backlit keyboard. I love the Panasonic keyboard. Backlit. Still i5 processors all throughout. And finally, Panasonic's flagship CF31. You can get this one, MK4, under $300, fully rugged. Drop this thing from 6 foot, throw it down the stairs. Watch my video, by the way, of throwing this thing down the stairs. Doesn't even miss a beat when we turn it back on. No damage to the case at all. Backlit keyboard, nice mouse, carry handle. Again, fully rugged, touchscreen. Great choice for under $300. Well, that's all I got for you this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week.